Welcome back to the Nexorix channel. In the previous session, you learned how to get SyAuth for free. Today, we will move into the SyAuth dashboard to create our first workspace and quickly build our application. To begin, navigate to SyAuth.com. Click Login in the upper right corner. Use your Nexorix credentials, the same email and password. If you don't have an account yet, a complete setup tutorial is available below. After logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. In the top right section, you will see your current plan listed as free. To create your workspace, click Create Your First Workspace. Let's name it Next.js SDK, for example. The main dashboard displays key metrics: total users groups, API tokens, OAuth clients. Below these metrics, you will find available services, quick access resources including the full documentation. Now, we will create your first OAuth client. This is the foundation for integrating SyAuth. Click Quick Build, then choose your technology. At the moment, we support Next.js for Quick Build. If you don't see your technology, you can still use SyAuth, but you will need to configure it manually by creating an API token and an OAuth client from the left menu. Quick Build creates everything for you automatically, which greatly simplifies the setup. Let's select Next.js. On this page, you have two options. Use our SDK, strongly recommended. Create a custom login page if an SDK is not available for your technology in our GitLab. In this video, we will choose the SDK, click Next, fill in your information, and then click Next again. Now, enter the redirect URLs. For development purposes, we strongly recommend using Ngrok to avoid Google authentication limitations. If you are using our SDK, your redirect path must be /auth/callback. Click Next, select Google, and then get your credentials from the Google Cloud Console. I will create a new secret key and copy it here. I will do the same with the client ID. Click Next, review your information, and in the final step, click Build. Now, SyAuth is successfully configured and ready to be integrated into our application. In the next video, we will integrate SyAuth into your application environment. If you're planning to implement SyAuth, consider subscribing and enabling notifications so you don't miss any updates. Feel free to leave a comment answering this question. What application are you securing? I look forward to guiding you through the integration process in the next session.